Want to know if an influencer's audience will actually convert? Do this before you spend a single dollar. Stop guessing. Start analyzing with data. AI tools analyze deep audience demographics. They track content interactions and interest clusters. It measures true engagement quality, not just likes. Match influencers directly with your ideal buyer persona. Predict exactly how your posts will perform. Identify content gaps that your competitors miss. This data is how AI influencers are built. They are data-driven personalities designed for you. They attract and convert specific audiences automatically. Get my free Monetizing AI Influencers cheat sheet. It breaks down the process step by step. Download below. Part 3 reveals how to turn insights into income.